our roof rack sides. These came off the laser. We'll go in and we'll sand all the sides nice and finished. As you can see here, they're feeding into the front of the time saver. I'm gonna take you around to the back side so you can see the finish we're looking for when they come out, that then they're okay and ready to go down to powder coat. And then they go through their process down there in powder coat to just make sure they're enhanced and they're as nice as they're possibly gonna be. People say, well, why do you take those extra steps? Because you don't need to do that, especially when you're sandblasting some of this stuff and you're gonna apply powder coat, a textured finish over the top. I say because we wanna take those extra steps to make sure that when someone receives our roof racks, that they are top notch and that they got what they paid for and they got above what their expectations are. We wanna exceed those expectations for our customers. Come around the front, let me show you this. We're out the back side here and you can see we've stopped the time saver, obviously for noise and also to show you the finish on these, but you can just see how nice it is. And then what we'll do is we'll flip them over, we'll run them through again, and then we'll go back and we'll touch up the sides on these as well, just to make sure when they go off to powder coat, they're just ready for us to just do some light touch up down there and then to be shot for powder. Again, hope this helps you understand and some of the processes we take here at Westcott Designs to ensure that our products are top notch for our customers and that they get something and then when they get it, they realize it's just at that next level of product. Hey, if you're not subscribed, please get subscribed to our channel. Please feel free to comment below. We'd love to hear from you. We'd love to answer you back. Thanks again for watching.